This video is on scatterplots. Scatterplot is a graph that shows the general relationship between two sets of data. So it could be a relationship between arm length versus height of a person. It could be the weight of a car versus the braking distance, but it's all shown on the same graph. There's three relationships that you could have with a scatterplot. You could have a positive relationship in which the data tends to go from lower left to upper right like this. You could have a negative relationship in which it goes from left and drops down to the right, as so. Or you could have no relationship, and that's when the dots are just kind of all over the place. Now, don't get this one confused with line graphs. You're not connecting the dots here. The dots are independent of any lines, so you just leave the dots the way they are. However, one thing you can do, and one thing you should do, is create a line of best fit. Now, a line of best fit is going to try to divide the dots evenly on the top and bottom, or left and right, whatever the case may be. For no relationship, you're not going to have a line of best fit. Only for a positive relationship and a negative relationship. So this is what the line of best fit would look like for this particular example and this particular example. Now notice both lines go through the y-axis, and that's important because those are known as the y-intercepts. That's where the line intersects the y-axis. You'll be using that for the project you're going to be working on in class. So a few things to remember. Scatterplot compares two sets of data. It has three types of relationships: a positive, a negative, and no relationship. And the y-intercept intersects the y-axis.